Hello everyone, I'm Adity and this is my channel Sparkle Baby, and today I'm going to do an inspired look from my inspiration, which is SHREYA Jain, and today I'm going to copy her this look. I love her so much. I love the way she talks, her down to the earth nature, and her personality, her confidence, her makeup skills is just bomb. So yes, today I'm going to do 90s grunge makeup look inspired by SHREYA Jain, and yeah, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Makeup product that I got from Mumbai, and this look just happened to become this look, and I thought it looked really grungy, so I just put on a spaghetti and my choker that I also got from Mumbai, and I just clicked random photographs and I posted it on my Snapchat and Instagram, and a lot of you guys requested me to do this look, so I thought let's just sit down.
Then please keep on watching.
To start off, I'm taking this Miss Clip
So
Perfecting
I've taken a
Concealer
little bit of
and I'm
that.
just applying it all over my face, spreading it from the centers of my face.
So I don't have an orange color corrector, so I will be taking the Seven Heaven photogenic matte lipstick, and this is an orange color, and I'm going to apply it very lightly on my under eyes and around my mouth and where else. Okay, so we have to go for a full coverage look, so I'm just going to apply it very lightly because this is very orange. So yes. Oh my god, I look so pretty. She's taking the Kryolan Supra colored base, which is very full coverage. I don't have a full coverage foundation, so I will be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. This is medium to high coverage and it is buildable, so I will build it up. For that, I will take a bit more foundation than I usually take. So yeah, I think this much will do. So yes, you can see I have taken a bit more and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Also, I'm not using a stippling brush because that is the last thing I would want to use in this whole entire world, and that is because stippling brush makes my foundation look very streaky, and it's just not my thing. So I'm using my beauty blender, and I should just finish, I think, just a little quicker. Oh my god, my face has never looked this flawless, and I'm looking like a round potato right now. Okay, so she is using a light yellow color. I will use two colors, and first I'm taking this yellow color from the ADS Ultimate palette, and it's better if you don't see it because it's so messy, so messy that I cannot even tell you guys. So okay, so I'm taking this color right here, and I'm going to apply it on my orbital bone.
Highlighted, so I'm using that same brush and applying it just under my eyes in a triangular shape. I'm also going to highlight the corners of my mouth, my cupid's bow, my chin, my nose, right under where my contour should be. You know the drill, that's what I generally do.
Also taking a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to just highlight a little bit more.
Again, I'm just going to blend all of this out with that same sponge.
My hand is breaking now. Okay, so she has moved on to contouring, and for contouring she has taken the darkest shade of the palette. I don't have that palette, so I'm just going to take a mix of these two shades to contour.
I've used the darkest shade from this palette to contour, so I'm going on the hollows of my cheekbones like you can see me doing here. Then on my jawline to cut down on the double chin. And I'm also going to contour my nose and slightly on my temples. Again, I don't need to do this, I just like to do this. And going on my nose, I'm gonna blend out my nose contour with the help of my fingers and all of the other contour with the help of that same sponge to get rid
Okay,
of
so
all
I
the
will
excess
also
area.
do my nose with my fingers really quickly. So I'm done with my contouring and let's see. Okay, I wanted to do this for such a long time, like because my under eyes and my whole face is feeling really oily right now. So yeah, I'm going to. Okay, so I will also just dust it over my face and so let's see. By the way, I didn't have that elf under eye setting powder, so I'm taking my Lakme rose powder and I'm going to set my under eyes with that.
In order to brighten them up and set them all at once. Taking Rimmel
I
in
think
Kiss
I'm going
Contour, I'm
to
going to
dust
use
my
this brush
face with
all over
this
my
powder
face
only.
to set my face down. Although the Kiss Contour Kit is a cream to powder formula, I'm just setting all of my face with this to make sure it's proof and intact. Taking the City Color blush, I'm going to use the two shades which you can see here, and I'm going to use that as my blush. It did go a little heavy on my cheeks, but I did blend it out, so don't worry.
So then she's taking a highlighter and she's not highlighting her face so much. She's going for a subtle highlight, so I will do the same, and for that I'm taking my Swiss Beauty Baked Highlighter and I'm going to take the lightest shade and I'm going to apply it ever so lightly.
I don't want overly highlighted skin, so I'm just going with the light hand over my cheekbones. Then I'm also going to do my highest points like the bridge of my
So
nose
highlighting the middle of my
and chin
forehead is
to
something
make
which I don't generally do because it makes me look very sweaty. Okay, so I'm glowing now and let's see what she does next.
using Essence Eyebrow Stylist Kit, I'm going to use that dark brown shade and I'm going to fill my
So I will use my Naked Smoky palette and I will take this darker brown shade right here and I'm going to fill my brows strongly.
brows. You can see how intense this color is. I'm going in short strokes and then just sort of like make.
Bold enough. And there comes the hardest part. Hers and mine's eye shape are totally different. She has a beautiful crease whereas I have a hooded eyes. So let's see how we will make it work.
Moving to my eyes, I'm going to use this color tattoo in Audacious Asphalt by Maybelline. It's in
Okay.
gray color. And using it with a dome brush, I'm going to buff this all over my lid area. I'm slowly building up the color intensity here because I don't want a lot of product.
So I have the exact same color from Miss Clear's which she is using. So this is shade number 0505. Okay, so I will go with very light hands and I'm going to apply it on my crease.
Taking this gorgeous shade from Milani, it's a taupe shade. I'm going to use a pointed crease brush to put this in my crease.
Okay, so then she is using a
The
taupe
red
color
shade.
and I'm using this color from my Freedom Dreamcatcher palette. And yeah, I'm going to apply it on my crease.
Transition. Taking the Savannah color eyeshadow, it's a beautiful gunmetal shade. I'm going to pack this.
Okay, so I'm also going to take a gunmetal shade and I'm going to take a flat shader brush. Okay, so I'm going to take this black color right here from Miss Rose palette, and this looks black but this isn't actually black. It's like it is not so much pigmented, so it looks grayish. So I'm going to apply it all over my lids.
On my lid wherever I applied the color tattoo. The color tattoo would just help in enhancing the look of this eyeshadow.
Okay, so I have that all over my lid. So I'm also going to blend everything beautifully and seamlessly.
Next, I'm taking plum kajal and I'm applying it to my waterline as well as I'm.
Yes, I'm taking my Lakme Iconic Kajal and I'm going to apply it on my waterline. I'm going to tight line with it so that my eyes look round and big and all of that nice things.
Gonna tight line to make sure my eyes look big and round and nice and all of those things. Using the same brush with which I applied that taupe color and no more additional product, I'm gonna smudge my lower lash line. I'm doing the same with the red, just make sure you don't have any extra product.
Okay, so same with the red. Okay, so she did not use an inner corner highlight, so I will not be using that, and the eye makeup looks stunning already. Yeah, so now I will also be applying some fake lashes, and these fake lashes, wow, lashes. And these fake lashes are used so many times by me that it has lost all its charm now. And yeah, so I think this will be the last time they are getting used. These are just by some random company, random local company. So I have put on my falsies and my eyes are feeling really heavy, and please don't mind if you see any garbage on my false eyelashes. That's because I have used and abused it so much, so much. So yeah, not expecting anything much from this.
To my lashes to marry them to the false lashes.
Okay, so I'm also going to apply this Lakme Absolute Flawless Secrets mascara, and I'm going to apply it both on my upper and lower lashes. So even I will be using a lip liner. I don't have a purple colored lip liner, so I will do with whatever I have. So yes, I'm taking some random lip liner and I'm going to apply it on my lips. Oh my god, these lip liners are so difficult to apply, like seriously. Okay, so I don't think that lip liner was working at all, so I'm taking my L18 lipstick in the shade Mauve Date and I'm going to apply it all over my lips. Okay, so I don't have the Romantic Beauty one, so I'm using my Personi Extreme Wear Liquid Lipstick and I'm going to apply it all over my lips. And today that I am sitting in front of the camera is just because of Shreya, because I had learned everything, every single thing from her, like literally. Okay, so with that I complete the look and I really hope I did justice to her look, and do let me know in the comment section below if you like this video. I would really love to know it from you guys, and I really love how this look came out and I hope that you guys loved it too. And yeah, so this is how the final look turned out. So now I will take a leave from you guys and I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.